Commonwealth 2000 dictation number 4. We ready? Start. A meeting of the association was held in the Ashoka Hotel on 10th October 1972. Full stop para. The chairman extended welcome to the members to the first meeting of the reconstituted committee and expressed the hope that with their active cooperation, the committee would be able to render useful service to members of the association in the times to come. Full stop para. Sri P.C. Sharma, representing the association on the Industrial Advisory Board for Delhi, apprised the members of the discussions held in the meeting of the board on 15th September 1971 and handed over the minutes of the last meeting to all the members for their reference and record. Full stop para. Mr. P. S. Singh apprised the members about the deliberations of the seminar on development of Old Delhi area as the city centre of Delhi, organized by the Town and Country Planning Organization. Full stop para. After considerable discussions, it was thought that the proposed recommendations of the seminar, if accepted, would not only mean huge financial loss to the landowners in the area but would also create problems for finding employment possibilities for the large number of workers already engaged in the construction work. Full stop. The committee considered the cases where the plans have been approved by the board and then landowners had taken advance money from the prospective tenants and necessary steps for completing the construction have been taken. Full stop. It was felt that the proposed move of the government for closing the building activities would have a further adverse effect on the already increasing rental charges for office accommodation in the area. Full stop. Moreover, on paying such high rental, the office accommodation available is not satisfactory for running business activities. Full stop para. It was decided that a sufficient representation by addressed to the Union Minister for Works and Housing, suggesting that instead of stopping building activity in the area, future planning should be done with a view to extend the limits of the entire area so as to meet the increasing demand for accommodation for commercial offices, etc. Full stop. In such cases where plans have already been sanctioned in the area, permission for starting construction should not be withheld. Full stop. For the planning of additional extended area, the industry should be associated in formulating the proposal. Full stop para. It was also felt that the proposal for acquiescing the buildings in the area would not be able to achieve the desired ends. Full stop. Instead, the building owners might be asked to provide for additional accommodation to cope with the resultant increase in population. Full stop. It was suggested that members of the committee may meet the Minister of States at the earliest in the matter with our proposals for his consideration and suggestion. Full stop.